guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to another Sublimation Sunday. Today I'm going to be sublimating these little tank tops that I got from Walmart. Now I will let you know, I thought that the items that Walmart has had stopped putting in their polyester count, or their cotton count, because usually you can find it here, but it's no longer there. So when you're searching in Walmart for items to see the count of polyester or to see if they have any, look on the inside of the shirt, and this is where they have the tags now. So I picked up a pink one and a white one. It has 89% polyester and 11% spandex. I don't know if it'll focus enough for you to see that, but they were pretty cheap. They were like $2.98. I know a while back you could get them for like $1.98, but things have gone up. So we are gonna sub the pink one, see how it turns out, and the white one. So I've got my heat press going, and I'm just gonna go ahead and prep the shirts. And I'm gonna take this tag out. And I want to make sure that I get my shirt really straight, so that when I put my design down, I can make sure that it's even. And I already have my design cut out. And I want to make sure that my design is not upside down, because the way I'm holding it right now, you can see that it is upside down. So that's important to pay attention to how you have your design before you press it on your shirt. So now that it is fixed, I'm just going to go ahead, and I want it to be kind of high up. So I'm going to go ahead and lay it down. Wait, forgot one important part. My lint roller. I always like to go over anything that I'm going to sub that's soft with the lint roller, just to make sure that there's no lint, because when you go to press it, there will be little blue specks on the shirt sometimes. So I like to go ahead and just do that. That way there's no surprises when I press my shirt. Alright, so again, I'm going to make sure that it's right. And then I'm going to tape it down to my shirt. And remember, when you go to put your shirt on the heat press, you want to make sure that you have a piece of butcher paper or parchment paper, whatever you're using for your blowout paper. You want to make sure there is a piece on the inside of the shirt so that the ink doesn't bleed through, and then a piece on top of the shirt so the ink doesn't bleed through to the top of the heat press. Alright, my heat press is warm. I'm going to go ahead and lay the shirt down on it. I'm going to lay my paper on top. Be careful, because that is going to be hot. It turned out really cute. It's really vibrant. Okay, now we're going to prep the other shirt. And then this one is going to be the white one. And I can already tell that this shirt has some length on it. I don't know if you can see it. But there's a piece right there that we're going to make sure that we roll off. Because we don't want it to show up once it's pressed. Alright, this is the design that's going to go on this shirt. And as you can tell, I've already torn around my design. That way my edges do not have the box on it, so that the box appears on the shirt. I did press this one on top of a mouse pad because my cushion is gone out of my heat press, and it's got a little bit of a box around it, but that's okay. And I noticed this tape does not stick well to this shirt. So if you buy these shirts, you may want to maybe secure it down with a little bit of extra tape. It is centered on just to make sure that the design does not shift and cause any smearing or ghosting on your shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of parchment paper on the inside and then on the top, and then I'll be back to put it on the press. Alright, try to move this closer so you can see what it looks like coming hot off the press. And it showed up so well. Let me take my paper out. And I love this design, of course, because I'm a nurse and I'm a huge fan of Dr. Seuss. And this is the back side. You can see that none of the ink bled through. So here's a up-close look at both of the shirts and how well box where the, I don't even know if you can see it on camera, but it's got a little bit of a shadow from the mouse pad.
Vibrant,
but I can pour some, spray a little bit of water on that and press it, and that should take it away.
Last year they used to carry these George brand shirts. They were in the men's section and they had about 65% polyester, but it really showed up vintage, and I didn't like that look, so I wanted to make me another shirt with this same design on it. And here's the other one. And again, these shirts have 89% polyester. They are $2.98 at Walmart. Don't forget, when you're searching for blanks for sublimation, don't forget about Walmart, because there are a lot of things in Walmart that have polyester in them that you can press out. And if it is an item that you wear, remember to look on the inside of the tag for the polyester count, or to see if it carries any polyester. And I appreciate you guys so much for hanging in there with me and watching another Sublimation Sunday video with me. If you have any questions or comments about anything, leave it down below. Don't forget to like the video, and if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.